Okay, I just put the two dark orange hives on top. You can see how I have 3 frames in this bottom box because I've got to put these long deeps. I still have some bees on it, but not a lot, in this top box. And they've got to be able to hang down below. So over here, at this level, I'll also put in 2 more and 1 more. But in between, I'm going to put these 5 deep frames, the old ones, which may have supercedure cells on them. And do you see the comb that they built on the bottom because they're filling up the space? There's some brood up here, so we'll just see what happens. I hope it keeps going and my hives do okay. I might not be able to look at them for a couple of weeks now.